If you watched the last episode, you know what workflow commands are. This one shows you what's actually inside one. Start with the file structure, same as any skill. Create a folder under Claude/skills. Drop a skill markdown inside. The first difference shows up in the front matter. Add user underscore invocable is true, and the command becomes something you invoke directly by typing it. Without that flag, Claude Code treats it as a knowledge skill and decides when to load it. With it, you control when it runs. Next, arguments. Claude Code passes whatever you type after the command name into a variable called $arguments. If your command is /review-component and you type /review component and then source/component/catalog, then $arguments is source/component/catalog. In your skill markdown file, you reference it directly. Read the component as $arguments and identify any accessibility issues. No configuration, no argument passing. One thing worth knowing, arguments is available through the entire command, not just the first step. If you've been building a command that takes a GitHub issue number, you can use it to fetch the issue details in step 1, pass context to parallel agents in step 2, and reference it again in the commit message at the end. The variable persists. The more interesting part is how you structure the steps. Workflow commands are just numbered instructions, but those instructions can tell Claude Code to spawn subagents. You write something like, launch 3 parallel explore agents. The first checks for bugs, the second looks for performance issues, the third audits accessibility. Wait for all 3 to complete before proceeding. Claude Code reads that, spawns the agents, and consolidates the results. Chaining is handled through that last step. If this command is part of a pipeline, the final instruction tells Claude Code to hand off. Something like present a numbered list of findings to the user, then suggest they run the spec command next. The next command picks up from there. The whole thing is Markdown. No SDK to call, no event system, no registration. You write plain instructions and Claude Code executes them as a procedure. Okay, thanks. Talk to you in the next one.